Most people don't stay broke because they're lazy. They stay broke because they follow money habits that seem completely normal. Unfortunately, some of those habits quietly hold them back. We learn these money rules from everywhere. Friends, family, social media, and even society repeat them every day. The problem is simple. Some of these habits feel harmless, but they can keep people struggling for years. Rule number 1. Spend money to look successful. It sounds harmless, but it destroys more wealth than many people realize. People often buy expensive things to impress others. The truth is, most strangers aren't paying. Working harder can help, but if bad money habits stay the same, the problem often stays too. A brand new car feels exciting at first, then the monthly payments start taking away your freedom. Looking rich on the outside often hides stress on the inside. Appearances can be expensive. Another popular rule says bigger is always better, especially when it comes to buying a house. But a huge mortgage can become a heavy burden. It can keep people stuck in jobs they don't enjoy. Payday feels great, then bills arrive, and suddenly most of the money is gone. Small purchases don't seem important, but over time, they can quietly drain your finances. Rule number 3. Expensive brands equal success. Many people believe this without questioning it. Social media shows luxury everywhere. But many of those lifestyles aren't as affordable as they look. Some people ignore saving because the amounts seem too small. But every big result starts small. Debt usually doesn't appear overnight. It grows slowly through emotional spending and poor decisions. Comparing yourself to others is dangerous. It often leads to frustration and unnecessary spending. Many people work extra hours for years, yet they never build lasting wealth. The little things matter. Small daily choices often create the biggest long-term results. Living paycheck to paycheck can feel like a trap. Many people don't know how to break free. Another harmful belief is that investing is only for rich people. That's simply not true. Watching entertainment is easy. Learning money skills takes effort, but it pays off. Ignoring your finances won't remove stress. Most of the time, it makes things worse. Fear stops many people from getting started. They wait too long to improve their financial future. Without emergency savings, even a small setback can feel like a crisis. Everything changes when you start thinking differently. New habits create new results. Tracking your money gives you clarity. You can't improve what you don't measure. Removing temptation makes saving easier. Good decisions become more automatic. Simple habits can save hundreds or even thousands over time. Small changes add up. Saving money does more than build wealth. It creates peace of mind. The more you learn about investing, the less intimidating it becomes. Confidence grows with knowledge. Saying no gets easier over time, especially when your future becomes more important than temporary pleasure. New skills increase your value. They can open doors to better opportunities and income. Watching your savings grow feels powerful. It changes the way you think about money. Real wealth often looks boring at first. It grows quietly before anyone notices. Financial peace is priceless. It helps you sleep better and worry less. Emergency savings turn stressful situations into manageable problems. That's real security. Investing allows your money to work while you sleep. Time becomes your greatest advantage. Once you learn these lessons, you can share them with others. Good habits spread. Building wealth doesn't require magic. It starts with a simple plan and consistent action. Not everyone will understand your financial discipline. That's perfectly fine. Long-term thinking changes everything. It helps you make better decisions today. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to stay consistent. Confidence grows when you take control of your money. Progress creates motivation. The goal isn't to look rich. The goal is to have freedom and choices. Discipline and patience create opportunities. Most people quit before they see the rewards. Wealth usually grows slowly at first. Then the results start accelerating. The sooner you improve your habits, the easier your future becomes. Many people never learn these lessons. Now you have the chance to use them. Your financial future changes one decision at a time. Start today and begin building your freedom.